कर्नाटक के नायब वजीर आला डीके शिवकुमार ने असेंबली में आरएसएस का तराना पढ़ने पर माफी मांग ली है। ऐवान में उन्होंने आरएसएस का तराना पढ़ा था, जिस पर तनाज़े के बाद उन्होंने अपने हामियों और कांग्रेस कारकुनों से माफी मांगी है। मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए शिवकुमार ने कहा कि इनका मकसद सिर्फ अपोजिशन लीडर अशोका से मजाक करना था, लेकिन अगर किसी को तकलीफ पहुंची तो वो दिल से माफी चाहते हैं।
But if anyone want to know about my history, know about my commitment, know about my ideology, if they want to do politics within this, it is left to them. I don't want to comment. But if anyone has been hurt, some of my party colleagues are commenting on that. I don't like to be a congressman, and I have a lot of followers and friends across the party line in different political party in the India group. I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to hurt their feelings. I would like, if anyone has been hurt, I feel sorry for them. I think I would like to seek apology to all of them, but not politically or pressurize on this. None of my party high command or anyone has asked any question on this. I would not like to reply to any one of them, but I would like to send a message across the country and my friends who have been supporting, including my media friends.
First of all, I don't want to comment on that. And second of all, we have the High Command. High Command always see what their leaders are doing or making statements and taking stand on issues like this one. So it is up to our High Command to see. If they feel that this is wrong, then they will definitely ask Shivakumar to answer. And if they think this is just a passing reference, and it is at a different context.